Good evening guys, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about the first year economics. Economics divided into two sub branches. Economics divided into two sub branches, micro and the macro. So in this video we will learn about the microeconomics and the macroeconomics. So the difference between we will learn it micro and the macro. The first point, micro, the micro word is derived from Greek. So the word which is origin from the Greek word, micro word is derived from the Greek, means micros. Micros means small. So micro, the word is derived from the Greek word. Micros means small. Say, and the macroeconomics. Macro is a word derived from Greek. Macros means large. So micros means so small and macro means large. The second point, the difference between the micro and the macro is the microeconomics studies about the individual unit, an individual person of an economy. So it studies individual unit. And coming to here, macro, it studies about the whole. So it studies about the whole, like a national income. It studies about the national income. It studies about the total income. It studies about the aggregate income. So it studies about whole income. So it is also known as microeconomics. It is also known as price theory. Macroeconomics is also known as income and employment theory. So it is also known as price theory. Here it is also known as income and employment theory. So why? Because it is also known as price theory, because the micro, it studies only an individual unit. Basically micro will studies on an individual and a price and an aspect. So it is known as a price theory. So macro, it studies about the total organization, total income. So we call this as a income and employment theory. Third point, the main tool of microeconomics is demand and supply is a particular commodity. So in the microeconomics, it focuses only on a particular commodity. So the main tool of demand and supply is only a particular good. Here the microeconomics, or the fourth point. So the main tool which focus is aggregate demand, and aggregate supply. Aggregate demand and aggregate supply in the market. So the main tool of microeconomics is demand and supply is only a particular good. So it focuses only on a particular good, the demand and supply. Here coming to the aggregate meaning in the microeconomics we called it as a total demand and supply in the market. The fifth point is, so microeconomics, it is a static analysis. It is a static analysis without time elements. So it is a dynamic analysis with the time elements. Example, we prepare a national income, as we measure national income by the GDP. So it gives a dynamic analysis with the time elements. Coming to the static, it takes time. It doesn't have no time elements. So there is no time elements to prepare. There is no time elements, and it is a static analysis. Static. It's with time elements, and dynamic analysis. Nothing but we provide national income every year as we measure national income by the GDP. So there is no time elements, and it is a static analysis. It is a dynamic analysis. 5 points are important for your exam. Panji.